So I put some jewelry okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packages from the same brand. Yeah, I don't know why they send it separately, I don't know, but it's fine. So this is from a beauty brand called Carslan. I'll put the name here, but it is an Asian brand, I think Korean makeup brand. They reached out to me through DMs on Instagram, I think, if not through email. So this is a gifted collab, not paid, and I did choose the products they sent me here. It was hard, they have a bunch of cute things, but so let's see. This is an eyeshadow, and what is this? A powder, which I needed a powder already now. So yes, this is in, yeah, Carslan. Okay, so let's see, let's open the powder. I'm dying to try a new powder. I've been using the Air Spun for years and I haven't repurchased a new powder. That I know I should throw that out, but probably like 6 years since I bought that powder and I still use it. But for some reason my skin doesn't break out, and that powder is 6 years old. Like, that's a whole child, right? A whole life, human life. I know you shouldn't do that, but when it comes to powder, I'm running out, but that's how you know it's a good powder. But anyways, so this one supposedly, I forgot, it's because they had different types of powder, but I think this one doesn't make you cakey, and the formula, maybe I'll put videos here, is good to touch up. It's just not like the traditional powder. It looked kind of different, and that made me intrigued because me, I have dry skin. I don't really like traditional powders that much. I have to be very picky, you know, to make sure I don't look heavy and cakey and, you know, bad. But this one looked pretty cool for that, like, you know, when you want to look natural and like just set your face but not go bake overboard. I don't know, it just looked nice. I forgot, man, I should have done my research again before filming. But okay, so the packaging looks nice, obviously. Okay, so ooh, it looks so fancy. Okay, so it's like a block square, but it's round. Okay, you see, that's the brand name powder. Okay, so soft focus makeup powder. So let me open it. Oh yeah, and it also comes with a powder puff, which I was like, oh, it's pretty cool. But this feels so soft and velvety, and it's a perfect size to use. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. I didn't clean this or my face, but okay. So this is a cool compartment. So then you open it up. Ta-da! You see the powder is there. You see that it's not really translucent. It's pretty interesting. So let me swatch. It's like, oh, you press down and then the powder flies up. It feels very dusty, not dusty, very light. It's not like traditional translucent powder, which that caught my eye whenever I saw people using it and their Instagram. I was like, I need it right away. So yeah, I think they had like colored powder, like for your skin tone, I think, but I don't know, I forgot that. So basically you just press with the powder puff, the powder, like traca, not the other traca. And then you pat dry, like pop, like that, and then you're good to go. So this is pretty cool. I'm excited for the powder. Usually I don't when it comes to powder, but this one looks cool. Okay. So I'm gonna test it out whenever I can do my makeup, because my eye is so swollen. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, which it was hard for me to choose two. Everything little bit chose the correct shade. I don't know, we'll see. I think this is the orange. Yeah, I was like, I don't need orange that much, but I just had to. The other one was purple or cool tone, excuse me, or brown neutral, I forgot. So I went with the orange. So ooh, it looks cool. I like I like it, and I like it. Okay, there. You see, I think it is a Korean brand. I don't understand the language. I am sorry, but I can't translate. Okay, let me. Okay, yay, ta-da. It's so cute and tiny and little. It's a perfect everyday palette for spring and summer. Like, come on. I can't. So I'm glad I chose this one. So pretty. It comes with a plastic cover. Okay, you see, it looks so beachy and tropical. I love the shade. So this is like a peachy orange shimmery shade. This is like a peachy neutral shade, like white fair tone shade, and this like a mermaid seashell looking eye. Looking eye instead of looking ass. Looking at. Anyways, shimmer, like, it's so pretty, right? It matches with my outfit. Like, I'm obsessed with the shade. With the shades. I can't. It's so cute. I just don't want to use it because it looks so pretty. I don't want to swatch it. Not right now. I have to do a photo shoot. And it's a pretty size. It's kind of little. Okay, and it came with this little book thing. Booklet. I think it's in Korean. I'm sorry, I don't know. But yeah, yay. It's so cute. Okay, so usually I don't get contacted for makeup brands, so I'm getting noticed by makeup brands recently, which is pretty exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna open the second package and see what it is. And what it is. Okay, so this only comes with one. Okay, so this is their matte vegan lipstick. So I took out an hour's, like, couldn't decide. They have a bunch of lip shades. Girl, I hope I chose the correct ones that match me. I don't know, like, it's hard, but okay. So matte kiss lipstick. The packaging is sleek. It's black. It's Korean. I can't understand what is this, but let's see. This is in the shade. I can't see the shade. Oh, it doesn't. I can't see the shade name. I'm sorry. Can you see me? Okay. Ooh, it's so fancy looking. I never seen a. Oh, there's the C. Oh, the shade name is MO6. So their shade names are numbers and letters. It's kind of hard to show, but MO6 right there. So I like the detailing. How do I open it? I twist it maybe. Oh, I open it like that. Okay, that's their logo. Okay, the C it's a pretty orangey neutral brick shade. It's cool for every day. It's definitely, if you have warm skin tone, it's gonna look good on you mostly. Okay, well, it's gonna match with the eyeshadow palette. Yeah. Okay, there we go. It's so pretty. Let me see how much product they have. They have a lot of product. Okay, that's the farthest up I can go. That's the farthest. My accent comes up randomly. Okay, the farthest it goes. Okay, there we go. Yay. It's a pretty shade. I love it. I can't. Yay. Okay, let me just floop. I can't swatch it yet because I don't want to ruin the logo. I have to take pictures and video. Maybe I'll insert it here. Okay, so okay, that's it for this one. Okay. Oops, that fell. Okay, for this package, let's see. Another lipstick. Okay, so this lipstick is in the shade, yeah, I'm gonna M11, I think. Okay, so pretty cool. Yes, M11. They're the same bullet packaging. So this is like a more brick red shade, like brown red shade. It's a very pretty shade. Ooh. So I don't know these shades of lipstick, so it's pretty cool to try new shades. I usually get bright or dark red, but this is a kind of like a light, warm red, brownish type color. It's very pretty. Like, wow. And again with the logo, it's so pretty. Okay, so this kind of like a 90s brown red lipstick. I feel like in the 90s they would use these reds more, right? These brownish lips. So okay, yay. Okay, yeah, this opened this. The rest two are lipsticks. They made me choose 4 lipsticks, which I was like, wow, how generous. They're so nice. Especially good for me because I'm indecisive. I would take longer to choose what lipstick shade I wanted, to be honest. So I try to choose like a variety, but I mainly went for shades that I normally go for, like good for every day. Give me the last 2 lipstick. Why do I sound like Mike Tyson today? Why can't I talk normal? What the heck? Lipsticks there. What? Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. Okay, so this is in the shade M14 and this is in the shade M17. So let's see. Ooh, it's a brick brown shade. Yeah, it's a pretty everyday shade. It's so pretty. Look, brownish, nudish, brick tone shade. It looks similar as other ones. What? I'm gonna have to do it side by side. They look so similar. The shade range, the shades. What? Okay, so this one, let's see. You see, it looks so similar. It's just darker. Okay, so I guess I have a thing for brick tone shades, red, nude shades. So it's like more orangey though, more warm tone. What? It looks the same. Okay. So okay, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. They just sent me 4 lipsticks, 1 powder, and 1 eyeshadow palette, which is a lot. Wow, I'm so grateful and thankful. Thank you, Carslan, for sending me this. And obviously, I'm not gonna be able to test them out today. I know it sucks, but I will insert me swatching it or me applying it on my face. Okay, so yeah, keep on watching. Okay, next I'm gonna do the side-by-side lipstick challenge. It's not a challenge, to see like the shades. Okay, so these are, okay, let me see. Okay, let me open the rest. I'm itchy. Okay, they all look the same. They all look the same. They had like pink, nude, red, purpley, like dark mauve, like, but then they look the same. I don't know how to choose what's look. Tell me they are not the same. What? Okay, what, like these two in the middle look so similar, or these 3. I don't know how to pick lipsticks, but wow. I should have just picked like one pink instead of one of these, because they look so similar. So, oops, I made a mess. No, it ruined the lipstick. Okay, let me cover it up before I ruin the rest. Okay, so this interesting. They look the same. Oopsie. Look, I don't know how that happened. What? Let me clean it. Maybe when I have it on, it looks different. Like, I don't know. Like I said, it was the middle of the night. I was like, I can't decide. So, yay. And these look nice. Like, what? I love them. Yay. So, okay, I'm gonna end it here. Bye. Thanks for watching.